Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome recipe and it's a snack and it's really easy and original to make. I hope you enjoy doing it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll grate some cheese, about 300. Then do the same with 4 hard-boiled eggs. After, cut some spices. Add the cheese into the bowl, then the eggs, and 40 grams of cheese and 3 garlic pieces. Add the spices and 3 or 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add some yogurt if you don't have the mayonnaise. Then you can plate it. Then add some cookies around it. They have to be salty. Then add some almonds on top to make the spikes. Then cut some olives so you can do the nose of the hedgehog. Then do the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and tell me in the commentaries what should I do next. Thank you for watching this video. This is a really original and really easy recipe to make. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.